Home Remedies presents How to use ginger wrap for belly fat. Body wrap's results are immediate and there is absolutely no downtime. Wraps are designed to improve the texture and appearance of the skin by helping to get rid of the excess fluids and toxins. Benefits of body wraps may include detoxification, boosting of the lymphatic system and metabolism, body contouring, temporary inch loss, skin tightening and skin softening. Our main ingredient for the procedure today is ginger. Ginger has been known for its gainful properties for the skin. It tones it, improves its flexibility and expands blood flow. All these things can assist you with disposing of stubborn fat gratitude to these ginger wraps. Ingredients: freshly ground ginger 1 tablespoon, olive oil 4 to 5 tablespoons. Directions: blend the ingredients together. Absorb a towel in high temperature water and spot it on the regions where you need to lose fat. Leave it there for 5 minutes to open the pores. Apply the ginger mixture to the focused areas and wrap the region with cling wrap. Leave it on overnight. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.